Karcher K3.550 is a serious bit of kit. It's a heavy-duty home and garden pressure washer. It's ideal for cleaning large patios or decks, cars, caravans, boats and so on. Before I get blasting, I'm going to take you through a couple of the features that make it such a great machine. It has a water-cooled induction motor that delivers 420 litres per hour water flow rate. It comes with a 6-metre high-pressure hose, a handgun, a couple of lances and this Delta Racer wash brush. So let's get it connected up. I'll start by connecting the garden hose. Then I'll connect the high-pressure hose to the machine. This model uses the new Karcher Quick Connect system. Then I'll attach the high-pressure hose to the handgun. And then I'll attach the Variolance to the handgun. The Variolance is an adjustable fan spray which goes from a small trickle to a full-on spray. And the Dirt Blaster has a rotating pencil jet which is ideal for those stubborn marks. The Delta Racer wash brush has 2 rotating jets and soft bristles and is perfect for cleaning cars. And finally, on the back here we have onboard tool storage and a detergent tank with variable flow control. And that's the Karcher 3.550.